Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this milky butter cookies recipe with you all. So easy to make, and I hope you're going to love it as well. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. To start with this recipe, I'll begin by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my margarine or my butter. I'll also go in with some sugar. To that, I'll add in some vanilla essence and some salt to taste. I'll mix everything beautifully until the sugar dissolves very well. So this video is a requested video from a subscriber, which I know very well. She didn't just request it for this video, but also she asked me to prepare these cookies for her to also make sales out of it. And trust me, when I delivered this to her, she called me the next day that the cookies is already finished. I was like, wow. So trust me, this recipe is so delicious, and I hope you're going to try afterwards. So after mixing the butter with the sugar very well, I'll also go in with 1 egg, and I will mix everything until it is nice and well incorporated as well. You can omit the egg if you don't want it, okay? After mixing everything together, I'll go in with my flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour as usual. You can also use plain flour if that is what you have, okay? I'll mix everything together until I get the perfect dough that I want. Moving forward, I'll go in with my evaporated milk, and I'll be adding it to it gradually because I don't want the dough to become very soft. I want the dough to come out from the bowl very nicely, okay? So now let's mix everything together until we achieve the perfect dough. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out, okay? Alright, so while that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well to turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the perfect dough, I'm going to be rolling out the dough very nicely to get the perfect size that I'll be going for, okay? Alright, so after rolling out the dough very nicely to get the perfect size, I'm going to be using any shapes that I can use to create that beautiful looks that I want. Alright, so while that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful, okay? So after cutting it very nicely like this, I'll go in with my fork to just create that beautiful small holes that we see on cookies, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. And after that, I'm going to be baking this in my oven for about 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And after that, this is the end result. It came out so good, very crispy, and also looks very delicious as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this cookies recipe. I hope you're going to try, and you are also going to make a whole lot of profit out of this if you make it your business, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.